Okay, welcome to Excel Edit Pro. Today I'm going to teach you how to sum up the smallest number, or how to make summation of the smallest number. This formula can help you to find the division point. As you know, in order to get the division or student division, you must have division point. So from division point is where we can determine, or we can find the student division. So student division point, always we take the grade point. For example, if we take the grade point, it means that for example, A stand for 1, B stand for 2, C stand for 3, D 4, F 5. So this is how you can find the grade point. And from grade point, we can find the division point. Let's say student have 7A. So if 7A means has 7 division point, because A stands for 1. So if has the 7/8 means has the total of 7 point. And always in the calculation of division point, we take only subject which student has passed, where we leave the subject which has the low marks. Now, in order to get the division point, by using this formula, say is equal to sum of small, then we go to the range. In this range, we find the first the smallest number, comma, small. Then in this range, we find the second smallest number, comma, small. In this range also, the next smallest number, comma, small. Next smallest number, comma, small. Another smallest number, comma, small. The sixth smallest number, comma, small. Another smallest number. Let's say I want to sum up 7 smallest number from this range. So it means number 1 will be the first smallest number. The second smallest number also is 1. The third is also 1. After that, when we come to the next smallest number, after 1 we have 2. So this one will be added to the smallest number. After that, there is a 3 will be taken. After 4 will be taken. And 5 will remain, because we take only the smallest 7 number. So after that, close. So this is how you can find the smallest number. Now drag to all students so as to get the division point for other students. Okay. As you see, this is very simple because the range is the same to all students. That's why we take sum of the smallest number from AE2 to the AN2, comma 1, bracket. Then this is the same range, but the difference is that this one we find is the first smallest number, the second, third, and so on. So this formula has taken 1 as the first, 1 as the second, also 1 as the third. After this one as the fourth, also this one as the fifth, this one number 4 as the sixth, then also 1, 5 as the taken. This is how you can find. Let's say, let me change to have 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. We have 1 point to all subjects. So because our formula we indicated it to take only 7 smallest numbers, so only 7 smallest numbers taken. But when we say maybe this one 5, we have the 7 smallest number, which is 1. We made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when we added this one, this, now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we have 7, 1. After that, in order to get another number, which is the 7th number, we take 3 must be taken because we have 6 smallest number, which is 1. So in order to get 7 smallest number, you must add also 3. That is how we get 9. So this formula sum up only the smallest number. But if you have many smallest number, you want to sum up many smallest number, instead of writing or instead of using a long formula, you can use simple formula which simplify it or which make it simple. Instead of writing this one, we can say sum is equal to sum of small number. Then our range is this one. This one is our range. After comma, then row, indirect. This one 1 up to 7. 1 up to 7. Then close bracket. This formula is used to shorten. Instead of writing smallest up to 7, so you can write sum of small, then range, comma, low, indirect. Then I want to take the smallest number from the first smallest number up to the 7th smallest number. After that, press enter. Then we have done. but because this one is the array formula, after writing that, hold Control Shift, hold Control Int. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe in order to get more important videos from this channel. Also like, share and comment. See you in the next video.